Construct the angle of the following measure. We're looking at 15 degree. So first thing first, let's look at what are set of values we need to take to get to 15. So finding the value or values for which we need to take average of. So first thing is, let's double 15. This will give us 30. Then let's double 30. This will give us 60. Do you guys know how to draw 60? Yes, we know. So basically your steps will be, first is finding 60 and then taking the average between 0 and 60, which will give us 30 degree, and last is average between 0 and 30, that will give us 15 degree. So this is the logic. So we first have array AP, right? So first thing is we need to figure out 60 degree. So for that we need to draw not entire semicircle, something like this is also good enough. So with this as the new point of intersection, cut an arc. So this will give us 60 degree. Okay, actually you don't need to draw a line. This point will give us 60 degree with, say, this is B, I guess. No, not B. This is C and this is, generally I'm taking it as B. So this is D and, okay, C, doesn't matter. With 0 and C, with D and C, that is, sorry, cut that, you will get 30 degree. Okay, again angular bisector. So this will give us 30 degree. This is 60 degree. And this point E will give us 30 degree, and average between 0 and 30 will give us 15 degree. So this will give us 15 degree. Right? So this is how you construct 15 degree. So a lot of explanation, but when you do it on a paper, it's not that hard. So let's look into that. So first thing, we have a line segment. So we are drawing an arc. So that is your point of intersection of the arc and the line segment. So one cut will give us 60 degree. And we'll bisect this to get 30 degree. You need not draw a line because it's not required. The whole idea is to find 60 degree. We have done that, so that will give us 30 degree. Always keep the pencil and then the scale. Okay, so I fix the pencil and then press the scale against it. So that will give us 30 degree. So that is the constant required point. So on the arc, if you find the required point, then you need not draw lines. So for 60 degree, I didn't draw a line. So bisecting between 0 and 30 will give us 15 degree. Okay, so that will give you guys. So always press the scale against the pencil. Okay. Yes, that's pretty much it. So let's verify. Okay, so you can see that it's around 50. I made a mistake while keeping the line at the other point, right? So I'll show you where I made a mistake. So this is the logic, again very important. So I made a mistake over here. So I ended up with 14 degree. So steps of construction. So taking A as this is B. So taking A as the center, draw a arc with some radius. Let me use a different color. Some radius. Draw an arc of circle R C1 which intersects AB at D. So that's your D. Taking D as a center with the same radius as before. Here it's important that it should be same as before. Draw an arc intersecting the arc 1 at E. So that's our E. So this will give us 60 degree. With E and D as a center, draw arc with the radius more than half the length of ED so that they intersect at P. So that's P. Draw a ray from A through P and this will give us 30 degree. So this will give us 30 degree. Let M be the point of intersection of AP and arc1. So that's M. With D and M as a center, so we are taking this 2 as a center. So we are basically finding average between 0 and 60 first. That's 30 degree. Again, remember, average is nothing but you're bisecting. Okay, you're going to bisect it. And last, we are finding the average between 0 and 30, which will give us 15 degree. Okay, so where is it? Yeah, with D and M as a center and with radius more than half of DM, draw 2 arcs intersecting at N. So that's our N. So this is 15 degree. So this particular thing is 15 degree. Okay, so this is the initial logic to finding how we have to go about drawing 15 degree. And this is your steps of construction. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. They are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.